Jason, we're here at EMO in Milan. Now, I know when this video gets released, it'll just be a few days until your event in Worcester. What can people see there?
Well, the event in Worcester, Paul, is from the 2nd of November through to the 5th. We've got some good registrations at the moment. We're expecting a lot more, but there's a lot of machinery here at EMO Milan that we're actually taking over to Worcester. And there's some debuts as well, you know, with the VCE 600, VCN 700, and also the QTE range. So there's some new products there.
Now, it's great to see this place has been buzzing this week, and I think it's about time everybody kind of got back together. Are you expecting much the same in Worcester next week then?
Yeah, I think we are. I think what's been good about this week, people are out there now. They're doing it, travelling's getting easier. Coming to Worcester, you know, we've got all the regulations in place. People want to see face-to-face now, talk face-to-face, talk about how their journey through manufacturing at the moment. We are all booming at the moment, and we've got some great applications, guys, at Worcester, and we're inviting people to come and talk to us.
Is there a theme? Is there anything that people need to know that they're going to see? I know we talk about the machines and the technology, but, you know, a lot of what we've been seeing here is your new control systems, the automation. Are these themes that are going to run through the event too?
Yeah, they'll run through the event. You know, a big push at this event is green technology, you know, green power, digital twins. So we're going to be pushing all this technology at Worcester as well.
Good stuff. Look forward to seeing you there from November the 2nd to November the 5th at Mazak's European headquarters in Worcester.